Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Little backside snap. Winter wind waves at Newport Blackies. Got a nice little right there. Just some little off the tops. It was kind of a crummy day, but I finally went out after going to the pier to check it out, and I didn't go out. So I zipped down to Blackies and went out. Caught a few fun waves here. Wasn't great, but it was something, you know. It was good exercise. So I just checked out the surf line. I thought, I'll throw another little video out there. Here's a couple of days before when it was foggy down at Huntington State Beach. You get a little coverage there. A little tuberooski. Here's another one, just a little coverage, riding high on the lip, and get a little coverage. Anyway, peace out. Keep on surfing.